running. Not really healthy. Car's holding the suspension really well. Don't see any blow by. Just a little bit of white smoke, of course a little cold.